Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here and say I forgot to do an intro, so I am actually editing today. A couple weeks ago, I noticed our front porch was looking pretty rough, like just dirty, dingy from all the dust and everything, and I haven't had much time to do anything with it. My granddaughter loves to use it to draw so with her chalk. Perfectly fine with me, but it needed some attention, and we also have been going over plans on what we want to do with the front porch because it is so pretty, and we love it. Like it's one of the reasons why I bought this house is because of this front porch. Like, it's one of my favorite places to be, and I honestly thought it was going to be a lot cooler in the last couple and upcoming weeks, but it has not been. It has actually been extremely hot. We're looking at 100-degree temperatures next week again, and the humidity is horrible. So being out here doing anything, we are just drenched in sweat within, I don't know, 10 minutes. So it's almost impossible for us to get what we need done as fast as we wanted it to get done. But I'm about to show you everything we did in the past 2 weeks, and in the next 2 weeks we have more plans, and you'll be able to see what they are in the video, and hopefully there will be a full reveal at the end of the next 2 weeks. So hope everybody is having a better fall and lower temperatures than we are. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can probably hear my dog. We do have a lot of things coming in the mail this week that I was hoping to get on this video that we are unable to because they're not here yet. But they will be in the next one, but yeah, it's going to look really great when it's done. I have a very high hope for this, and I think you're going to like it too. So don't forget to like and subscribe, like I said before. And leave me a comment, share it with your friends. Thank you. Okay, right now, end of summer, porch is looking pretty rough. That was blown out from a storm, so it's going to have to be trashed. My granddaughter likes to draw, but everything just needs a really good cleaning. You can see all that wonderful stuff, but needs to be cleaned really good and make it over for fall. And you can see, like, things like that just need to be fixed, clean. It'll look good when we're done. Say hi to my dog, Murphy. Murphy, hey baby, hi. Saw the before. This is the after. Seriously, it just looks so much better. Everything looks fresh and clean. We are going to paint this. It's not going to be this go around, but we plan on painting it. Next step is to paint the ceiling. So I have 2 samples to see which one we are going to use. Leaning towards the Harbor Haze. I think I like that, the more blue one. The green one's pretty. I don't think it's going to be what I'm wanting for here. The blue one is way more than what I'm wanting. So
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on.
It's almost 8 o'clock at night, and I was able to paint for about 30 minutes, and my dog made me go in, but I think I'm going to come out here in just a few and paint some more. But right now, that's what it looks like. It's going to look great when it's done. I'm going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough on what the plan is with the porch. We power washed it last week, have not painted it, and we had to put everything back up here because it was going to storm. But goal is, this is the first wave. We're going to do a lot on this wave, but it's not going to be the final. It's just something to make it work for us with what we're going to repaint. All the trim, everything here white, and then as you'll see, the ceiling is blue, and I love it. We power washed everything, and then I'm going to show you, like right here, I want to show you some examples too. On this end, we are putting a railing from here to here, all the way across, and then from here all the way through here. My granddaughter played with the chain, so it's a mess out here. And we've been painting, but the railing will go through here, and then we're going to put, the steps are going to go down here. And then there's going to be railing all over here, a little in on each side, but this will not be the main way to the stairs. Let me walk down here. The plan is, in the yard, to start a walkway about probably here, where we'll have about that much space. Then we're going to start pavers that are going to come around, walk through here. Then there's going to be 6-foot steps that are going to be centered here in the middle, and they're going to go up, and it's going to look fantastic. And the thing is, because there's so much space, there's going to be the 6-foot stairs here, pavers that go all the way to that side. There's going to be 3 boxwoods on this side and 3 boxwoods on this side, and killing off and laying this stuff on here and holding it down with cardboard, but in wood. I've been trying to kill it because that's where a rose bush and trellis is supposed to go. So, and then all of this will be able to be decorated on the sides, and we will still use this, but it'll have more of a center point. But it's going to be a big difference when we're done. I got this package. It should be the cushions that are going to go. Sorry for my neighbors driving in with their loud trucks. These are going to go on the rocking chairs. Maybe you'll get a little feel of what I'm trying to do here this year. Oh, wow. Wow. They're a little different than I expected, but I still like them. They're pretty. See the colors? They're gonna go good. Now we are getting the rose area ready, thanks to him. Now we have landscape fabric down. We doubled it up just because we're prone to weeds and bugs and stuff. So now we're tacking it or whatever. This is our first time doing this, so we're learning as we go. This is our little high maintenance baby, Murphy. He just turned 3 months old. Hey.
Did he just pick up a rock?
He just picked up a rock. That's our life.